Dark side of social media, how it's controlling your mind. In today's hyper-connected world, social media has become an indispensable tool for communication, entertainment, and even professional networking. However, as we scroll through endless feeds, there's a hidden, darker side that many of us are beginning to recognize: how these platforms are subtly controlling our minds. The allure of the digital world. Social media platforms are engineered to capture and hold your attention. With infinite scrolling, personalized feeds, and constant notifications, these platforms exploit our psychological vulnerabilities. The design of these apps is no accident. It's a carefully crafted strategy to keep us engaged. Every like, share, and comment releases a hit of dopamine, making us crave more of that rewarding digital interaction. The mechanics behind the control, algorithmic influence. At the heart of social media's power is its algorithm. These complex systems analyze our behavior to serve content that is most likely to keep us hooked. While this personalization can be convenient, it also creates an echo chamber that reinforces our existing beliefs, biases, and even fears. As a result, our worldview becomes increasingly narrow and influenced by the curated content presented to us. Data and targeted advertising. Every click, scroll, and pause is recorded and analyzed. This data is then used to target us with personalized advertisements, often blurring the line between content and marketing. The result? We are not just consumers of content, but also of tailored messages designed to influence our purchasing decisions, political views, and even our perceptions of ourselves. Social validation and self-worth platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter tap into our deep-seated need for social validation. The number of likes, shares, and comments becomes a metric of self-worth, driving users to constantly seek approval. This perpetual cycle can lead to anxiety, depression, and a skewed perception of reality, where self-esteem is tied to digital feedback rather than real-world achievements. The impact on mental health. The constant barrage of information and the pressure to maintain a curated digital persona can have profound effects on mental health. Studies have linked excessive social media use with increased rates of anxiety, depression, and loneliness. The relentless comparison with others can erode self-esteem, while the addictive nature of these platforms makes it difficult to unplug and find balance. Breaking free, regaining control, digital detox. One of the most effective ways to counteract the control of social media is to take regular breaks. A digital detox, whether it's a few hours a day or an entire weekend, can help reset your mind and reduce dependency on constant online validation. Mindful consumption, being conscious of how you interact with social media, is key. Limit your time on these platforms, curate your feed to include more uplifting and informative content, and actively seek out real-life interactions. Mindfulness techniques, such as meditation and journaling, can also help you maintain a healthier relationship with technology. Advocating for change. On a broader scale, it's important to support initiatives and policies that promote transparency and ethical practices in social media. By demanding greater accountability from tech companies, we can help ensure that these platforms serve our interests rather than exploit them. Conclusion: social media is a powerful tool that has transformed the way we connect and communicate. Yet it's crucial to recognize and address its darker side, the subtle ways it can control our minds and impact our well-being. By understanding these mechanisms and taking proactive steps to reclaim control, we can enjoy the benefits of digital connectivity without falling prey to its pitfalls. Are you ready to take back your digital life? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's start a conversation about creating a healthier, more mindful online culture. Stay informed, stay mindful, and always remember, you control the screen, not the other way around.